again, tanggalin mo lahat ng lights at saka
Congratulations.
glitters dyan and whatever, music, everything. Tanggalin mo lahat. Walang kwenta yan kapag walang message of love.
Yeah.
At kahit na ano pang gawin mo, kasi hindi naman siya out of love, wala ding kwenta. So, yun lang, I think, yun ang pinaka-importante, diba? Na we come into this season, we come into Christmas, we position ourselves as agents of love, and that's how we can influence and spread more of God's love to the world. So, yun lang naman ang akin.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Norbert, for that. And thank you guys so much for listening for this episode here in Pinoy Husbands. And we have some announcements to make, so upcoming for next year. Would you like to start, Norbert?
Yes. Mga Pinoy Husbands, salamat po sa inyong pagtutok at pagsali sa amin sa buong taon. Like, this whole year, it's been really incredible, doing the show and talking about our lives. And it's a little bit of a bittersweet kind of thing kasi we know that the Pinoy Husbands podcast is, like any good thing, it has to evolve at some point.
Yeah.
And ito yung parang hopefully sana it was a gift from us